This is a one-of-a-kind superstar.
Amazing high-flying and striking skills.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing the New Day. From Ghana, West Africa, weighing in at 212 pounds, Kofi Kingston.
You look at the resume of Kofi Kingston and everything he's accomplished, but you cannot forget when Kofi Mania ran wild at WrestleMania and Kofi Kingston became the WWE Champion.
It cemented Kofi's legacy, Byron. It made him a surefire first ballot Hall of Famer. Kofi Kingston, the real deal.
If you don't believe human beings can fly, Kofi Kingston is happy to prove you wrong.
Hey, if you've got to compete against Kofi Kingston, expect the unexpected because Kofi is always going to bring it.
Make way for the Anvil.
And his opponent, representing the Hart Foundation, from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, one half of the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
A multiple-time tag team champion, WWE Hall of Famer, and the father of the one and only Natalya.
If Brett was the mind of the Hart Foundation, Anvil was the fist.
You're absolutely right, Cole. He is just as responsible as Brett is for the Hart Foundation's tag title accolades.
Here's one of the most entertaining superstars around. While there might be songs and dances to the ring, Kofi Kingston is all business once that bell sounds.
It's that exuberant nature that often throws Kofi's opponents off their game. You can never underestimate the literal heights Kofi is willing to go to secure the victory.
We'll see if Kofi's opponent... Pinning predicament. 2 count and a near fall.
A strong kick out to stay in the fight.
Oh, what a kick.
Ooh.
Corey, Kofi Kingston is known for his resilience in the ring, his tenacity. How can you face off against someone like that?
Let me remind you, resilience does not mean invulnerability. Beat Kofi down long enough, he'll eventually fall, just like any other man. Big knee, and right between the shoulder blades.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Oh. He gets the kick out after the one.
These one counts are going to get harder and harder to kick out of.
With the reversal.
Scoop slam sets things up.
Hoping to end it here. Almost ended it there.
Almost inhuman at this point.
Vicious right forearm.
Oh, kick right to the gut. Another one.
Oh, and a clothesline to follow.
He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
They kick out at only one.
He's still got life in this matchup. Good defense. Nice cross body.
Oh, nice deep arm drag.
Ooh, harsh kick.
Oh my gosh, what impact.
Out of the way.
Boom, answers with one of their own.
And he has an answer for Neidhart. Elbow smash. Getting him into the corner. Timely counter by Anvil.
Oh, what a right hook.
A bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them.
It's cinched it.
Bear hug. Well-placed elbow will get you out of it.
That might be enough. Yes, it is.
Bang! He is just reeling from that offense.
Yeah, as Kofi knows when it's time to unload some of that positivity onto others.
Jawbreaker!
Call it, Dennis.
Roundhouse kick.
Everything's Kofi's working against Neidhart now.
Impressive string of attacks from Kofi here. Big kick.
He's got him scouted.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart, tremendous power and nice power slam. Anvil has this wrapped up. Kofi summoned every fiber of his being for that kick out.
But he's going to need even more to get back in this.
Hey, it might be time for a change of strategy. His best move didn't get the job done.
After what we've seen so far, you cannot question the lengths these superstars are willing to go.
The limits of physical exhaustion are being surpassed at this point.
Neck breaker!
Carefully measured knee drop.
Oh, using the knee. Kofi Kingston! How about a little boom drop? That was and the cover for the win.
This is it.
Oh, somehow managed to keep this match going.
No way. No way. I refuse to believe that wasn't 3.
Able to counter.
Reciprocating the initial reversal. Short clothesline hits its mark.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart, tremendous power and nice power slam. Nobody can withstand that. Not even Kofi. Kofi able to kick out. That's the power of positivity, providing Kofi with a whole lot of fortitude.
Big move, but it's still unable to end this. Listen to this place.
Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield.
Stomp in the leg.
Face first with a waistlock takedown.
And Kofi's starting to look worn out.
Yeah, Kofi's put up a good fight, but he might have just hit a dead end.
Oh! And he has an answer for Neidhart.
Big impact.
Squaring off right by our announce table.
Ooh, jarring European uppercut.
Have to head back into the ring now.
Yeah, count's running out.
Ooh, tossed with the suplex. And the official calls a double count out. Should have listened to the count.